After I finished my college, I had a desire to work overseas, and I chose Canada. Why did I choose Canada? Because Canada is one country that has a good record of cooperation. And besides that, because I really want to go to Canada. Therefore, I need to know some of the work culture there is there. And I get the following: in Canada, there are basic rules of business etiquette that are common in most Canadian workplace. Canadians value their personal space and rarely touch each other when meeting or talking at work. In Canada, in conversation, direct eye contact show that you are interested and paying attention. People who avoid eye contact can be viewed as unfriendly, untrustworthy, or lacking confidence. And then in Indonesia, gotong royong is one of the distinctive culture of Indonesian nation. Mutual cooperation can make your work finish quickly, and besides that, it can also create a sense of empathy between colleagues, which can have a positive impact on the mood of the work team. And besides that, it also requires deliberation, discipline, and also here seniority is not too prominent. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, the similitude and the difference between my country and my dream country. In my country, the working culture here in Indonesia has fixed work hours with 7 hours in one day, or 14 hours of work in one week, or 8 hours in one day, or 14 hours in one week. And the difference in my country is that people generally live, work using private vehicle or by public transportation, which cause congestion in the morning and evening because that is time to leave and come home from work. And in my dream country is Japan. The work culture here has something is common with my country work culture, which is 8 hours in one day uh, and 6 hours in one day. And another similarity are working holiday, which are Saturday and Sunday. That same in my country in Indonesian. And in my dream country, having different work culture, must people take public transportation or walk to workplace, which make it healthy and make the air fresh. Thus are the different and similarity in work culture between my country and my dream country. Thank you.
Hello, I am Fazrul and I'm here to explain about similarities and differences into work culture as practiced into different countries using the Venn diagram I made. In last practice, I made diagram Venn about similarities and differences about Indonesia and America. The differences at first in Indonesia. Indonesia people mostly to tend being careless of the work time, panic when facing failure, and the last one is doesn't have seniority system. But in America, have some plan when the common plan fail, give a grade when facing each together, and the last one more concerned when on the deadline text. Similarity about two country is have a same work time from 9 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Hi, I am Nova Dava. I will explain about similarities and difference of work culture as practiced in two different countries, Indonesia and France. Work culture in Indonesia is sometimes employees are asked to work overtime, overshift work to complete some work. The second is co-works are usually also friends outside the office. The third is when they get to the office, employees usually greet each other. The fourth is deliver criticism personally. Work culture in France is working times should be in line with the demands of other times. in social life and personal life. The second is people in France severely restrict the association of CO workers. The third is if an employee wants to meet a supervisor for something, they have to go through some pretty complicated procedures, work detail oriented but not result oriented. The same is mutual respect for building good cooperation in doing something should always comply with the specification or SOV.